Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add skate animation in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, open your Apple Keynote software, then open your Keynote presentation. Now you can see here are my Keynote presentation. Go to the first slide and select the text box. Go to the animation menu and click the drop down menu. Here are many animation. I find my skate animation. Then scroll down and we can see here are my skate animation and click this. You can change increase or decrease duration or direction. Now increase this. Then go to the second slide and same way applying our skate animation. Fourth slide, click the text box, then go to the first slide and click play button. Wait some moment. Then click mouse. Now you can see here are my skate animation are showing. Now you can see add skate animation in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.